Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you how you can switch account on Instagram. Before telling you the steps, make sure you have subscribed my channel for more tutorial videos. And if you like this video, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. Without any further delay, let's jump right into it. First of all, open your Instagram app and then make sure you have logged in into any account on Insta. Then here on the bottom right corner you can see the profile icon. Just tap on it. Then you'll be guided to this page where on the top right corner you can see the three-line icon. Just tap on it. Tap on setting and privacy option and then scroll down and you can see the logout option. Just tap on logout ABCXYZ893 account. Tap on the logout and once you log out that account, you will be guided to this page where you can choose any one of the account you would like to switch. For now, I am switching my account into the learner's account. Just tap on it and then you'll need to enter the password here. Once you enter the password of this account, you will be easily switched into this account. So this was it guys. Thank you.